Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can advertise on Dex Screener, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So the thing is, to do that you have to simply know some options which is provided by Dex Screener itself over here for the advertising purposes. You can see, if you're interested in advertising on Dex Screener, they have this following options, which are direct deal. If you're in need of an advertising solution that requires customization to your exact needs, for example pre-sales, ads on specific chains, and anything else, pricing is fixed. You will have to have a minimum budget of $1 lakh. Payment method needs to be Coinbase, Commerce, and Stripe. KYC is required, and you can directly contact them on this particular email if you are interested. And further, more details are provided over here. Like, let's say, in order to advertise on your website, you will have to pass the verification process, including providing the KYC verification KYC and be able to launch their campaign. So make sure to visit the advertising side of Dex Screener on docs.dexscreener.com, so you can get the view if you're eligible or not, and you can directly email them if you are interested. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.